Hi, how's it going? Seja bem-vindo ao Minute English. Eu sou o professor Luiz, seu guia neste mundo da língua inglesa. Cleaning the house. Hey Mark, we need to clean the house today. It's getting really messy. Yeah, I noticed. Where should we start? Let's start with the living room. Can you dust the shelves while I vacuum the carpet? Sure, no problem. Do you have any cleaning supplies? Yes, they're in the closet. I'll grab them. Here you go. Here's a duster for you. Thanks. I'll get started on the shelves. Wow, these shelves are really dusty. When was the last time we cleaned them? I think it was a couple of months ago. We should do these more often. Definitely. By the way, do you know where the garbage bags are? We need to throw out some old magazines. They're under the sink in the kitchen. I'll get one for you. Here we go. I'll help you with the magazines. Great. Thanks. After we're done here, should we move to the kitchen? Yes, but first we need to wipe down the windows. They're really dirty. All right. I'll grab some paper towels and glass cleaner. Thanks, Mark. After that, we should mop the floors. Good idea. I'll fill the bucket with water and floor cleaner. This is going to look so much better when we're done. I agree. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Definitely. Thanks for helping out today. No problem, John. It's always better when we work together. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.